Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto E14 and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this section we have to scroll and find the gestures. Then let's enter navigation mode. And as you can see, in my case, it is the gesture navigation set. But if you've got the 3 buttons navigation, I just wanted to show you that you can actually customize this navigation mode. You can enter the settings here, and you can manage, unfortunately, only the assistant, but still you can customize it. So now all we have to do is to tap on gesture navigation, of course, wait a second until it will be switched, and you will see that instead the 3 buttons, we've got this line which is responsible for some gestures, which I'll show you in a second. We can also customize it. Here we can decide whether we want to show the navigation bar. I don't want it, so let me hide it. Here we've got also the switchers for the back sensitivity, and to be honest, I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gesture. So after this time you'll be able to decide whether you really need this back sensitivity to be lower or higher, and you can also manage the digital assistant. Alright, so right now a quick tutorial of how to use the gestures. If you want to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, swipe your finger from the side to the center until you'll see this arrow and release the finger. So this is how it works. The same situation from the left side, so it works the same. If you'd like to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device. And be aware that this motion should be quick and short, just like that. And if you want to open the recents, repeat the gesture, however, elongate it a little bit and hold your finger somewhere here, just like that. And here we've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.